Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us yet again. We have had so many good recipes over the last few months since I've been here and you've come back, and we've got even more good recipes here for us in April. So what have we got for us today?
Well, the Kansas Soybean Commission is celebrating National Soy Foods Month in April. A great opportunity to learn more about soy if you're not familiar with it. We're also offering this great booklet. It's a 15-page spiral booklet filled with the recipe that we're going to feature today, but also a lot of great information. If people want to know why they should include soy in the diet, they should have a goal of 25 grams of soy of protein every day. Okay. So that's our guide, and this will help us. So what we're going to do to make these wonderful lemonberry muffins is I've got our sugar in here. You're going to add our soy ingredient, and that's vegetable oil. And you know, a lot of people don't probably realize that if they're purchasing vegetable oil, the only ingredient in there is soybeans. So when it says vegetable oil,
I didn't know that either.
Yes,
so, okay.
Yes. Okay, now you're going to add an egg to this. Great. And then lemon juice, and I squeezed a fresh lemon juice. That is so good to add all that flavor. And then we have some lemon zest.
Okay.
Thank you. Get all that great. Little vanilla. Great. And then the recipe book in here says to add the milk later, but a traditional muffin recipe, we're going to go ahead and add the soy milk right now, the plain milk. So we have all the liquid in here together. And then I am going to give you the flour here and let you mix that up just a little bit with the whisk.
See, I was trying to show off the lemon juice.
You did good. That's okay.
So these muffins don't have as much lemon juice as you're supposed to have, but just make sure you follow the recipe and don't spill it everywhere like I did.
Now I'm going to let you add that in here. Okay. What you were mixing there was the flour with the baking powder and baking soda and salt. Put that in there, and we'll just mix this up. The other thing I like to do is to add our berries now, and we have raspberries and blueberries that we're adding. Aren't those colorful?
Those are.
And when you add it right now, that flour there kind of coats them so they separate, and that way you're assured you're going to have fruit in every bite when you make it. How's that look?
If we had smell-o-vision, this already smells delicious.
So we'll just mix that, and then what we would do, because this has a topping on it, is that we take, and I like to use this because that helps you portion it out. And again, this recipe from the booklet says that it makes 12 muffins, but I got 24 this size. So if you want to make 12, which would be a jumbo muffin, then get a little bit bigger muffin cup and a bigger muffin pan than you have there. And then you have, right before it goes in the oven, it has a crumb topping with cinnamon and margarine on it that you can put on to make these. How does that look?
They look incredible. And of course, real quick, you've got this book.
Yes. Take advantage of this. The link is on your website, I believe, but it's also at kansassoybeans.org. And then also they can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and ask Megan there. She'll help you get it and also send you all the recipes for the month of April.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much. As you mentioned, you can also find this at KOAMnewsnow.com. We will be back with more right after this.